The Cliffs of Moher, one of Ireland's most iconic and breathtaking natural wonders, stand as a majestic testament to the raw power and ethereal beauty of the Atlantic coastline. Located in County Clare, these towering cliffs extend over 8 kilometers along the rugged western coast, offering visitors an awe-inspiring experience that blends captivating vistas, dramatic landscapes, and a profound connection with nature. The cliffs' grandeur is truly awe-inspiring, with their sheer vertical drop of up to 214 meters into the crashing waves of the Atlantic Ocean, creating an unforgettable spectacle. As visitors stand at the edge of these precipitous cliffs, they're treated to panoramic views that stretch across the vast expanse of the ocean, punctuated by the distant outlines of the Aran Islands and the Monturk Mountains. Exploring the Cliffs of Moher offers a sense of serenity and wonder that's hard to replicate elsewhere. The exhilarating cliff walks, which allow visitors to traverse the cliff edge and take in different perspectives, offer an intimate connection with the rugged terrain and the diverse array of seabirds that call these cliffs home. From puffins and guillemots to razorbills and gannets, the cliffs provide a sanctuary for an impressive array of bird species, making it a haven for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts. The Cliffs of Moher Visitor Experience Center enhances the visitor's journey by providing informative exhibitions, interactive displays, and insights into the geological history and cultural significance of the cliffs. For those seeking a deeper understanding of the region, the Visitor Center serves as a gateway to the Ben, a unique limestone landscape with its own enchanting charm and a diverse array of flora and fauna. The cliffs' allure extends beyond daylight hours, as they take on a mystical aura during sunrise and sunset, when the light transforms the landscape into a mesmerizing palette of colors. Additionally, the cliffs' proximity to charming villages like Doolin, a hub of traditional music and warm Irish hospitality, offers a chance to engage with local culture, enjoy live music sessions, and savor authentic Irish cuisine. The Cliffs of Moher are more than a destination, they're a testament to the majesty of nature and the profound impact it can have on the human spirit. Whether you're standing on the edge, taking in the breathtaking views, watching the birds soar above the crashing waves, or simply allowing the enormity of the cliffs to envelop you, this natural wonder offers an experience that captures the essence of Ireland's untamed beauty and the enduring magic of its landscapes.